Greetings everyone. Welcome to the tutorial for using the Voucher Match Automation Workbench to match the invoice fee lines. To match a vendor invoice with fees after suggestion using the VMA Workbench, let's sign in to Enterprise 1 and access P0411Z1 from the fast path. In the interest of time, we have created purchase order 18158, received it for us to use in this tutorial, and created a batch in AP batch voucher entry program, that is P0411Z1 that we are reviewing now. The batch contains invoice line of $1,000 and an invoice fee line of $10 in addition to other tax details. The batch number assigned to this batch is 24753. Let's access the VMA Workbench program, which is P4314WB from the fast path. It opens to the Voucher Match Process Workbench form. Let's enter 4210 in the supplier field and 00001 in the company field. Enter the batch number 24753 in the EDI batch number query field and click Find. The system displays the invoice. Click the checkbox, then select Create Suggestion from the Invoice Action drop-down and click the Go icon. We can see that the status of the invoice has changed to Suggested. Select the invoice and the invoice lines show up. The status of the invoice line changed to Suggested. However, the invoice fee line is still in the unprocessed status. Click the checkbox again, then select Approve Suggestion from the Invoice Action drop-down. Click the Go icon and then click Yes to confirm the approval. The invoice status has changed to Approved. Select Match Suggestion from the Invoice Action drop-down and click Go. We can see that the status of the invoice and both the invoice and the invoice fee lines has changed to Matched. This completes the matching of the suggestion. Select the invoice, then select View Voucher from the Invoice Action drop-down and click Go. The system has generated voucher 19832 and we can review the invoice line and also review the invoice fee record added to the voucher. Now, let's access P0411 from the fast path and review this voucher. Enter 19832 in the document number, PV in the doc type, and 00001 in the company query fields and click Search. Select the first row and click Select. We can see that the tax amount is 101, which includes 100 for the original line and 1 for the invoice fee line. These are the original tax amounts because our processing option was set to not overwrite the taxes. Now, let's access P4310 from the fast path and enter the order number in the query row for the order number column. Click Find. To review the order, select the order and Detailed Revision from the row menu. We see that the invoice fee line record is not inserted in this purchase order because the order line entry processing option on the new order line tab of P4314 is set to 1. This concludes our tutorial on processing invoice fee lines using the VMA Workbench. To learn more about using the Voucher Match Automation Workbench to match the invoice including the invoice fee lines, visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.